Ever wondered how some people seem to dodge the common cold, flu, or other illnesses, while others fall victim to every bug that goes around? It might not be just luck. It could be their immune system working overtime to protect them. Today, we're going to explore ways to naturally boost your immunity and keep you in the best of health all year round. First off, we're going to talk about nutrition. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of good health. Consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can supply your body with the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it needs to strengthen your immune system. So make sure to fill your plate with a rainbow of foods at every meal. Next on the list is hydration. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for maintaining a strong immune system. Water helps in the production of lymph, which carries white blood cells and other immune system cells. So remember to drink plenty of fluids throughout the day. And no, that doesn't mean sugary sodas or caffeinated drinks. Now, let's talk about sleep. Getting quality sleep is not just about feeling rested, it's about giving your body the time it needs to repair and regenerate. Poor sleep has been linked to a weakened immune system, so make sure you're getting those 7 to 9 hours of shut-eye each night. Moving on, we have regular exercise. Working up a sweat not only keeps you in shape, but it also helps to enhance your immune function. Activities like walking, jogging, swimming, or yoga can increase your body's production of antibodies and help circulate them more rapidly. Next, we delve into the topic of stress management. Chronic stress can take a toll on your immune system. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and mindfulness practices can help reduce stress levels and keep your immune system in top shape. We also can't forget about herbal remedies. Some herbs and natural supplements are known for their immune-boosting properties. Echinacea, elderberry, garlic, and others have been used for centuries to support immune health. But remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Lastly, we have healthy habits. Good hygiene practices like washing your hands regularly, avoiding smoking, and limiting alcohol consumption can contribute to a robust immune system. In summary, boosting your immune system naturally involves a balanced diet, proper hydration, quality sleep, regular exercise, stress management, certain herbal remedies, and healthy habits. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can give your body the support it needs to thrive. And that's it for today's deep dive into natural immunity boosting. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more health-focused content. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health.